All right. Hi, my name is Matt Kouba, and this is my student project where I'm developing low-cost CAN FD and Automotive Ethernet development boards. So to start, why am I doing this? At Michigan Tech, we have a class where we talk about the different communication protocols in a vehicle. And currently, we do not cover CAN FD or Automotive Ethernet, primarily due to cost. So there are CAN FD development boards or Arduino Shields, which is the form factor that I'm targeting, that exist for cheap, but making them ourselves would make them cheaper. And there are no Automotive Ethernet development boards that are cheap at all. The cheapest ones are $500 per board. And for a class, that's way too much per board. So diving in, what is CAN FD? CAN FD is an extension of classical CAN, where CAN stands for Controller Area Network, which means CAN FD stands for Controller Area Network with Flexible Data Rate. With CAN FD, you can transmit its data segment at up to 8 megabits per second per the CAN FD standard, which is 8 times faster than classical CAN. And CAN FD can carry up to 64 bytes of data per frame, as opposed to 8 bytes in classical CAN. For Automotive Ethernet is a subset of the IEEE 802.3 Ethernet standard, which means that it specifies the physical layer, whereas CAN FD would specify physical and data link layer. Having this separation allows for programmers to have more control over how everything other than how the data is physically transmitted. In addition to this being part of the IEEE 802.3 standard, it uses standard Ethernet frames. So the same Ethernet frames that come out of your computer also are transmitted on this bus. That means that you can transmit up to 1,500 bytes per frame, and you get to take advantage of the typical speeds that are used on those buses, which means Automotive Ethernet can theoretically support up to 10 gigabits per second. The boards that I'm developing are targeting 10 and 100 megabits per second, depending on link quality. So moving into my product, these are 2 pictures here of, on the left, my first revision of the CAN FD Arduino Shield or development board. And on the right is my second revision, which is pretty much production quality and spec, apart from a few minor changes that are needed. Moving on to the Automotive Ethernet Arduino Shield, this is a picture of a 3D render. I have a board assembled, but it is not ready to have pictures taken of it. But this outlines how large it will be. And you can see the shape of an Arduino on the right. Moving into the differences between CAN FD and Automotive Ethernet. CAN FD has a bus topology where everything kind of branches off of one main line, as opposed to Automotive Ethernet, where it's more of a network, where everything is connected to each other instead of one thing connected to a bus. For next steps, I need to order production versions of our CAN FD Shield, finish implementing my Automotive Ethernet software, and also make another revision of the Automotive Ethernet development board. My final thoughts: I'm currently not able to send data with the Automotive Ethernet board, but I can perform tests. Having some issues with my first revision of the board, but that's expected. And when they're complete, we'll have working development boards for our class to use. And in addition, I have my prices listed here, where my CAN FD board is about $13 and my Automotive Ethernet board will be between $75 and $100.